Hi, this is Zach from DocuSoft, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can use our DocuDrive as a working folder. The beauty of this is we've got a few ways of seeing the DocuDrive. So the DocuDrive is like a cloud filing system that's away from our document management solution that could be used with a folder structure. You can have your client folder in there or internal documents. And then what we have with that is that we can set that up as a Z drive or a T drive or whatever sort of drive you want to call it. So for instance, on Windows File, if you look down here, I've got the My DocuSoft Server one here, DocuDrive, and that's showing me everything that I've got in the cloud, a bit like other systems that are out there that you can link them to this. The beauty of our one is if I make an update directly in here or on a document that's in here, it's automatically straight away updated within the cloud, and there's a few places you can view this information. So to show you how you can link a client folder, so if you look here, I've got clients and then I've got Hill Premier. I can link this Hill Premier folder to the client within the DMS and within the rest of the system, and then that also gives the client access to that folder to upload documents to you, and it also then links them to our DMS. You can see the documents in DocuDrive next to the DMS on the clients folder as well. So if I jump into our cloud, mydocusoft.com, hit submit to log in, you'll see when we get onto this main page, the DocuDrive is here. So 3 down from the top underneath the search and the references button. When we go into DocuDrive, you can see it's very much like a Windows file folder structure, so you can create a new folder within a folder within a folder. And so as you can see, I've got my client folder here and I've got the Hill Premier folder. If I right click on this folder, I can assign, but I've already done so. It's saying I can unassign it now, but if it would say assign there, and you can then assign it to your client within the CRM system and within the DMS, so that it will show up there. So that's how easy it is to assign there. And then I can also share the link, and that will send a link to the client so they can then upload documents into that folder as well. They do need to have a portal account for that, so that they log in with the same portal account button. Once you've done that, when I click on here, I can upload documents into here for him and remove documents from within here. So it's a very simple, filing structure. If I click on any of these, it will launch them in cloud versions of Word, Excel, or a PDF reader. But then with our TNT drive, so if I just minimize this and come back to our TNT drive, when I'm within here, I can view these documents as well and update them from this screen. So if I, for instance, click on this client information sheet, and let's change that client name to James Hill. When I save this and close it down again, if I come off there and back onto him, it's already updated there. And then if I jump into, for instance, the cloud again, and because I've linked this folder, if I go into search, and I'm just going to search for Hill Premier here, you can see I've got the DocuDrive button. So this is the DMS documents, but if I go on the DocuDrive ones, and then I find that document that we just changed, the client information sheet, I've double clicked on it to launch it. The change is already on there as well. And then it's the same with our desktop apps. If I've searched for Hill Premier up here, I'm seeing the DMS documents in the one view, but I can also from here view the portal documents. I can view which sections hold what documents, and then I've got our DocuDrive here as well, and then we'll view this letter of engagement. And then if I launch this letter, not the letter of engagement, the client information sheet, you can see it's already saying Dear Mr. James Hill on there. And if I launch that from here, as I say, it would open it up again within Word. I could make changes, hit save, and that will update it in that DocuDrive. So the DocuDrive is perfect for your working papers as a working folder, and it will also allow you to keep the links between Excel sheets. So if you've got formulas on one Excel sheet that link to another Excel sheet, if they're both in that same pathway in the DocuDrive under the client's folder, then they will also be able to keep that link together with them. Thank you very much for watching on how to use our system as a working folder, and I hope you can watch more of the videos. Thank you.